Hello guys, how are you? Nice to meet you. This is your Chinese class. I'm your Chinese teacher, Mandy here. Today is week 1. We'll learn lesson 1, okay, in Chinese book page 6 to 7. And the topic of this class is 语音, that means pronunciation. Okay, today we will learn pronunciation 1, includes parts of the initials and the finals. Not all of them, but we will look at parts of it. Okay, and the initials means the syllables that put the consonants. You know consonants? Like bo, po, mo, fo, that puts at the beginning of the syllables. Okay, and the finals is like vowels, a, o, like that. Okay, it's vowels. Okay, don't worry, we will look at one by one in today's lesson. Okay, and so the part 1 will be initials. Okay, in Chinese we call it 声母, 声母. Okay, in total in Chinese pinyin it has 23 initials. Okay, 声母. Okay, and part 2 will be finals. In Chinese, 韵母, 韵母. In Chinese pinyin Mandarin, okay, it has 24 韵母. Okay, and part 3 is tones. Tones, okay, tones in Chinese called 声调, 声调. Okay, it has 4 tones. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, the first one, 声母, the first initials we'll look at is bo, bo. Okay, it's the same with English pronunciation. Okay, we just put o after the bo to make it sound loudly. Okay, to make it pronounced out loudly. Okay, that everybody can hear. Okay, so b, o, bo, bo, bo. Okay, how about this one? P, p, right? But we put o after this one to make it sound loudly. Okay, po, bo, po, bo, po. Okay, so it'll be easy, right? Okay, let's see this one. This is also the same with English pronunciation. Okay, so we already know this is m, right? This is f, right? So we put all here to make it sound loudly. Okay, more, more, more. Okay, this one, for, bite your lips. Okay, bite the lip, for. Okay, how about this one? This is also the same with English. Okay, the, t, right? So we put the after this one to make it sound loudly. Okay, the. Okay, how about this one? T. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's continue. Here is the single finals. Okay, single finals total have 6. Okay, in Chinese pinyin total have 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's see here. The first one is a. Okay, this one is o. When you pronounce a, you need to open your mouth, right? You open your mouth. A. You can open bigger than English pronunciation. Okay, you can a. Okay, and this one o, you need to round, make your mouth be round. Okay, make your mouth be round. Okay, because this is round. Okay, make your mouth be round. Okay, o. This one is a, o. Okay, how about this one? It's same with English. E. This one is same with English. U. Okay, this one you need to, based on this one, you can roll your tongue, roll your mouth. Okay, round your mouth. Okay, like this. This is ooh. Okay, round your mouth, become yu, ooh, yu. Okay, yu, yu, yu. Okay, these 2 points means based on this ooh and round your mouth, the mouth shape is the same, but you make it rounder, okay, make it more round, okay? Yu, yu. Okay, don't worry, when we learn, when the score begins or when I can see you, I can show you in the screen, okay, I can show you in the video that you can see how can I pronounce it, okay, or you can search in YouTube, okay, to see other people pronounce it in Chinese, okay. There are many lessons there, so you can also make use of the online learning, okay, through YouTube. Okay, now let's read again. A, O, E, U, Yu. Okay, very good. Now let's continue. Just now we say here is single finals, right? Single final, that means only one vowel, right? One vowel, okay? But here is compound finals, that means it not only have one, but it can be two, okay? Can be two put together. So how to pronounce this one? First, we need to know how to pronounce the single one. Then we can put the two together, okay? It's like you pronounce this one first, then you pronounce this one later, and you, from this vowel, slip quickly to the next vowel. Okay, for example, let's see. A, E, right? Now, quickly. I, right? Now, quickly. I, right? So, this pronounced I, correct. I. Okay, how about this one? This is right? This is E, right? Let's see. A, O, E, U, U, right? This is this is E. So pronounce quickly. E, right? So I, okay. Okay. How about this one? This is U, this is E, right? You slip quickly. We, okay, we, okay. How about this one? Ow, okay. How about this one? This is O, this is U, right? Together. O, okay. How about this one? E, U, right? E, U, okay. You, right? You, right? Okay, how about this one? E, right? Actually, this one is not pronounced you, it pronounced ye, okay? It pronounced ye, so this is a little bit different, okay? Ye, this one is also yue, okay? This two is different from this, okay? So this is ye, this is yue, okay? Don't worry, okay? We just know how to pronounce it from one word slip to another vowels, okay? Got it? Okay, now let me check you now. How to pronounce this one? We. How to pronounce this one? Ow. Okay, how to pronounce this one? I. How to pronounce this one? You. Okay, that's it. If you can pronounce these words, okay, that will be very good. Okay, now let's see how to pronounce this with the initials, okay? With the initials. Okay, now let's see this one. This how to pronounce this one? B, this one, this one, E. Okay, E together, right? So B, right? B, right? How about this one? I, I, pie, po, I, pie, right? How about this one? Thơ, ao, thơ, ao, thảo, or thơ, ao, thao, thơ, ao, thao. Okay. How about this one? Mo, o, u, o, mo, o, mo, right? Mo, o, mo. Okay. How about this one? Nơ, ao, now, now. Very good. How about this one? For, phi, right? For, phi, right? For, phi, right? Like this. Okay. Now again, bay, pie, tao, mo, now, fei. Okay, so there's no tongues here, right? So we can put tongues later. Okay, put the four tongues, right? Right? We can put it later. Okay, make sure you can pronounce this one. Okay, let me check you how to pronounce this one. Po, I, pie. How to pronounce this one? Thơ, ao, thao. How to pronounce this one? For, fei. Okay, how to pronounce this one? Mo, o, mo. How to pronounce this one? Bo, bay. How to pronounce this one? Nơ, ao, now. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's see the four tones. Okay, 声调, okay. We have four, right? Four tones in Chinese. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The first, the second, the third, and the fourth. Okay. This first, Now first tone is second is third is fourth is Okay. So how to pronounce this one? Right? How to pronounce this one? Okay, 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 so you see all the tones are put in the right? So you see all the tones put here, okay? You cannot see the tones can put in the initials, okay? This is all finals, right? All finals. The tones should be put above of the finals, okay? So okay. Okay, now let's see. Let's practice with bopomorpho, okay? Bopomorpho, we call the initials, right? We have 23 initials. Here we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In today's lesson, we only learn 8, okay? Next lesson, we will learn more, okay? So initials, we have single initial, single finals, and compound finals here, okay? Now, in here, I just put the tones, first tone, second tone, three tones, and fourth tones to make you practice, okay? Now let's practice. How to practice how to pronounce this one? Bo, first tone, so it's bo, ba. Okay, how to pronounce this one? Po, first tone, po, po. Okay, now I give you some time to practice this one, okay? Later I will check if you pronounce it correctly or not, okay? How about this one? How to pronounce this one? In third tone. How to pronounce this one? In second tones. How about this one in first tone? Fourth tone, okay? Try to practice by yourself, okay? Okay, now let's check it. Okay, let's check it. Mo, u, third tongue. Mo, u, mu. Mo, u, mu. Okay. This one, second tongue. For, fa, right? For, fa. Okay. Fa, xí fa, chi mai. Fa, the second tongue. Okay. How about this one? First tongue. De, yi, di. Di gua, right? De, yi, di is similar with ภาษาไทย, right? How about this one? Fourth tongue. Te, u, tu. Te, u, tu. Okay. Te, u, tu. Okay. Fourth tongue. How about this one? In third tongue. Ne, na. Ne, na. How about this one in fourth tongue? Le, la. Le, la. Okay. Na, Okay. How about this one? How to pronounce this one in second tongue? Bo, ao, bao. Bo, ao, bao. How about this one in fourth tongue? Po, ao, pao. Po, ao, pao. Okay. How about this one in first tongue? Bo, a, bei. Bo, a, bei. Okay. How about this one in second tongue? Po, a, pei. Po, a, pei. How about this one in third tongue? Te, wei, tui. Te, wei, tui. Okay. How about this one in first tongue? For a, fei. For a, fei. Okay. How about this one in fourth tongue? Le, a, lei. Le, a, lei. Okay. This one you know how to pronounce, right? Ne in English is similar. It's the same with English, okay? Ne, le is similar. All of these initials are similar to English, okay? And for this one, you just need to pay attention to a, o, yu. This is different from English, right? And this one, two words together, you just pronounce this one correctly and this one correctly and combine together. Sleep quickly, okay? I, a, u, ao, o, u. This two is different, okay? This is ye, this is yue, this is different, okay? You don't need to look at it. You don't need to remember right now, okay? We can remember it later, okay? But this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you need to know from this lesson, okay? Now I will show you how to put the tongues in the words, okay? This is like a skill, okay? If you see a, if you see a, always put on the top of a. Always put the tongues on the top of a. For example, you will see these words, right? Bo, I. So which one you need to put the tongues about which one, which words? Okay, this one is the same. Which one is you need to put the words why? Because if you see a, if you see always put on the top of okay? Now, if you see always put on the If you see always put on the That means the words, the syllables only have one a, okay? Only have one a, you see? You see a, if you see a. Why? Because comes first. Comes first in the pinyin, okay? This is the first, okay? So every time when you see you put the tongues above not e, not o, not n, okay? Not e, not o, not n, not b, not p, not t, right? You put in the a, okay? Okay, another skill for you to put. If you don't see you find o or then put on the top of o or because o right? If you see you put on the top of If you don't see you find o or Okay, let's see example. This one. Bo, e, I. Which one we put the tongues? We put the tongues. If you see a, no, there's no a. So we put we see E, right? We see O or so we put in the okay? Put tongues in How about this one? Did you see A? No, A. So here has right? So put in the top of Did you see A? No. Did you see O? No. So only you put in the top of How about this one? Did you see A? No. You see 什么? O, right? So you put in the O. Did you see A? No. You put CU ใช่ไหม? You see wu. You see the wu. Okay. Did you see A? No. You see O. So you put it in the O. Okay. Now let's see here. So let's pronounce this one. Bei, pei, men, dou, nuan, low. Okay. Here is wu is okay. Okay. But this, you know this one. O. Okay. A. Okay. Or here you can put O, nong. Right? Okay, now the homework for you is to practice this one at home. Okay, for example, you practice how to read this one. Bo, a, ba. Okay, bo, a, ba. Okay, like this, you practice at home. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me next class. Okay, when we have the online teaching, you can ask me any questions about this. Okay. Okay, so much for today's class. I would like to see you next class. So hope you have a good day. See you next week. See you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you.